This is an emergency message transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The U.S. government has issued a national emergency. Please pay close attention to these instructions as these are vital to your safety.
The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Mississippi. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building immediately. If you're driving, pull safely to the side of the road, put your car in park, and lay flat on the floor. This is a statewide emergency. Please have an emergency kit ready with you with non-perishable food, water, medicine, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio that can last up to 14 days or longer.
The president will be speaking on all TV channels shortly. Do not turn off your devices. My fellow Americans, we will do everything in our power to stop this catastrophe and survive this catastrophe. May God be with you all. God bless America. This is the president signing off.